Welcome to this advanced SAT math practice lesson. In this video, we're going to focus on harder, mixed SAT questions that require you to combine multiple topics in one problem. This is what the real SAT looks like. Questions are not isolated. They mix algebra, functions, geometry, probability, and data analysis. By the end of this video, you'll know how to break down complex problems step by step and solve them faster. Part 1. Multi-step linear equations. Here's the example. 2 times open parenthesis 3x minus 4 close parenthesis equals 5x plus 6. Step 1. Distribute. Step 2. Move variables to one side. Then solve for x. SAT strategy. Always expand first before combining like terms. Part 2. Function plus algebra. If f of x equals x squared plus 2x, find f of 3. We plug in 3. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Now, the SAT twist. If f of x equals 15, solve for x. We get x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Factor x plus 5 times x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals negative 5 or 3. SAT tip. Always check for multiple answers. Part 3. Geometry plus algebra. A rectangle has length x plus 3 and width x minus 1. The area is 24. So set up the equation. Expand, move terms, and factor. You get x equals 4. SAT strategy. Translate words into an equation first. Part 4. Exponential mix. A population starts at 200 and grows by 20%. After 2 years, use the formula y equals 200 times 1.2 squared. 1.2 squared is 1.44. Multiply by 200 to get 288. SAT tip. Square first, then multiply. Part 5. Probability plus counting. A bag has 4 red, 3 blue, and 3 green, so 10 total. Probability of not red is 6 out of 10, which simplifies to 3/5. SAT strategy. Use the complement rule instead of counting everything. Part 6. Data analysis. Data set 2, 5, 7, 7, 9. Mean is 30 over 5, which is 6. Median is 7, and mode is also 7. SAT tip. One data set can have multiple statistics answers. Part 7. Common SAT traps. Avoid forgetting negative solutions. Do not skip distribution. Do not mix formulas. And avoid skipping steps too fast. Today you practiced multi-step equations, functions plus algebra, geometry word problems, exponentials, probability, and statistics. These are the types of mixed problems you will see on the real SAT. Keep practicing daily and focus on accuracy and speed. Follow Mind Over Math for more SAT math lessons, practice sets, and shortcuts.